class. Today we will learn about literary terms. First off, there's a ballad meter, which is a 4-line stanza rhymed A, B, C, D. There's a blank verse, which is an unrhymed iambic pentameter. Most of Shakespeare's plays are blank verses. Next, a conceit is an ingenious and fanciful notion that points to a striking parallel between two dissimilar things. A couplet is a 2-line stanza. Next, we have a didactic poem, which is a poem that teaches a lesson, and a dramatic poem, which is a poem that employs a dramatic form to achieve a poetic end. Lastly, there is an elegy, which is a sustained and formal poem that mediates about a theme. Any questions?
I have a question. What's the difference between a couplet and a ballad meter?
Good question. A ballad meter will have 4 lines that rhyme, while a couplet is just 2 lines, where the ends rhyme at the same. Time for Censura class! We're going to take a break and eat lunch, and be thinking of a poem to share afterwards.
Hey Dorothy, what did you bring for lunch today?
I brought a burrito for lunch today. It's from my Cinco de Mayo party yesterday.
Oh cool, you just alluded to your Hispanic ancestry.
Alright Mason, time to present your poem.
Irks care the cropful bird, frets doubt the mock-crowned beast.
Mason, stop. That poem sounded really cacophonous. It was really unpleasant. For the last part of class, we'll be going over the devices of sound.
What are the devices of sounds?
Good question. First, there's alliteration, which is the repetition of identical or similar consonant sounds. There's also assonance, which is the repetition of identical or similar vowel sounds, and consonance is the repetition of similar consonant sounds in a group of words.
Miss Walker, I did my extra credit. Okay class, I will now explain 3 literary devices. An apostrophe, not like the punctuation mark, is when characters address an object as if it were present. An antithesis balances one contrasting term with another. For example, you are easy on the eyes but hard on the heart. And finally, a Bildungsroman, which is a novel dealing with a person's formative years and moral and psychological development.